This ain't no Tennessee, except in your head you always are the drama queen. Left nothing unsaid, but still I don't know what you mean. Quicksand is pulling you down. It wants to eat your golden crown. I see the lines on your face, I see the fight in your eye. You reach too far and now you're falling down. I see you calling for help, I see you backing away. You've hit the top and now you're heading for ground. Floating in the waves of regret, drowning through life, somehow you'll never forget. It'll eat you alive, you always were the fool in the set. She'll make a good wife, your level of incompetence met. Quicksand is dragging you in, maybe remorse will puff on your skin. I see the lines on your face, I see the fight in your eye. You reach too far, now you're falling down. I see you calling for help, I see you backing away. You've hit the top Car alarms and barking dogs makes me wonder why the city's waking, the city never sleeps, and I would like to rest a little while. Yeah, I would like to get some peace of mind, to turn it all around. We're all getting older, she says it doesn't matter. She strokes her cheek when she lies. An old man on the corner says they're coming back to get him soon. Or maybe we know something he doesn't know. And I would like to get some peace of mind, to turn it all around. In many ways, yeah, you know we've heard it all before. In many ways, you work all week, then drink yourself into oblivion. You wonder why the city's sleeping, the city'll never wake, and I would like to see you away sometimes. Yeah, I would like to get some peace of mind.